Most people get this wrong. They assume finance apps only track spending. Money Master Finance in 2026 proves that a modern app can do much more. It helps you save, budget, and manage money intelligently with automation and smart insights. Money Master allows you to set multiple financial goals, like paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. Its algorithms automatically allocate your funds toward each goal based on your spending patterns and income, making growth consistent and effortless. Over time, even small contributions can add up thanks to compound interest and smart automation. The dashboard is simple and visual. You can track your spending trends, see progress toward each goal, and receive alerts for upcoming bills or unusual transactions. This level of insight helps prevent overspending and keeps your finances on track without needing deep financial expertise. Security is a top priority. Money Master uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, giving you peace of mind that your money is safe. Customer support is easily reachable through chat or email. The limitation: Money Master focuses on personal finance and savings tools. Advanced investment or trading features are not included. However, for anyone looking for a secure, automated, and smart way to track and grow savings, it's a strong choice. So, is Money Master Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely. If you want a modern, automated approach to budgeting and saving, Money Master delivers. Subscribe for more insights on apps that make managing money smarter and simpler.